Hi, good evening, good morning, everyone. This is your dotnetist, um, and welcome back. In this video, we're gonna play with expressions. So, we're going to play with expression trees. So, to begin, we're going to first get a list of dogs from the context. So, we're going to run the application here and where is it? So I believe this is done. Where is it? So the endpoint is here, the expressions, and if we're going to execute that endpoint, so we had a result here, and now we're going to play with expressions here. First, we're going to um, do a select here. Select x equals new dog, or yep, new dog, no dog, and I think the name here. Hold on, I'm going to sneeze. Okay, so I just finished sneezing. Alright, so let's import that dog, and we're going to set the name here as the name of, yeah, this one. But I think we can just dog view here for the select, and then it's going to have a dog view here and a name. So we're going to select as a new dog view, and yeah, and we're going to put this one here and put this one here. So will it look more beautiful? No, I guess not. Let's just put this one here back, and put this one here back, here and here and here, and yep, okay, there. Let's just put this to list here. Okay, so let's run this again. I cried from my head down to my spine, ready to self-destruct. Okay, so instead of displaying the list of dogs there, we're going to have a list of dog view and tear, so it's just going to display the name. Okay, so how do we implement expression tree here? Okay, so let's comment this out for now, and we're going to start with a let's start with a param here, param. So this param is an expression, is a parameter, and the type of dog. It's gonna be a type of dog, and we're gonna say that this is our X. So expression, expression, What is this? Okay, we're not using that castle thing. We're going to use our expression here. Yeah, this one, the length queue expression. Okay, so we have our parameter there. So this represents this thing here, our x here. And then we're going to get the type of dog. Dog type is equals to type of dog. Okay, and then we're going to get an object here. So it's gonna be an expression, an object expression. So new dog type. Okay, so we're going to create an object out of that type here using expression. So this is going to be a new dog, and what can we do here? We're going to create an expression to select here, but I believe we need to use the dog because we're going to use the dog view here. So is this going to be a dog view type, and this is going to be a dog view object here, and we're going to create like set the property name here. So our dog name dog view name value is an expression property or field of param name here. Dog view. Okay. Are we is this correct? Let's continue. And then we're going to select the get the property dog view name property is equals to dog view type dot get property name. Yeah, because this is what we're going to set here. So this is dog view dog view type. Yep, get the property of that dog view type, and this one the value should be I believe this should be the param value, param name value. Okay, so that would be the proper T here. Okay, and then we're going to bind this two things. So we're going to say dog name assignment. Dog name assignment is equals to expression dot bind. We're going to bind into the dog view property the param name value. All right. Okay, so and then we're going to dog view assignment here, new list of member member assignment, and we're going to set the this thing here, the dog name assignment. Okay, so this is the thing here that we're doing. This one here, the dog name assignment, is we're assigning the name here. This is what that means. And this dog here is this one here, this one, this thing here. Okay, I think that would be all. And then we're going to dog view init here is equals to expression that member init, then the dog view object, and then the dog view assignment here. Okay, and after that the dog view select lambda is equals to expression that lambda, and then we're going to anonymous function of func here, and then this is going to be a dog into a dog view, and then the dog view init here, and our param will be here. Okay, so this is now our dog select lambda, so this is the select here. So this whole thing is this representation here, the in expression 3. So we can use that one now. So if we're going to get this one here, and then comment out that one, and this one is still a select, but we're now going to supply this thing here, this one. And what is it complaining about? Okay, so let's see if it's still working the same as this one here. So expression 3, baby. How many minutes are we in now? We're now in 13 minutes. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Alright, cool. So that's running. Let's try again if it's still working the same. We're going to have name here. And yep, we have name here. So it's now working. If we want to add another assignment here, we're just going to, instead of name, what are the properties of a dog? A dog here has type. So if you want to add a type, alright, cool. So this one, we're just going to param type here, and the param type, the type of the param, which is the x, and then the type here, dog view type, and then dog type assignment, then we're going to type property is binded to the type of the x here of the param, and then the dog type assignment will be added here. So now we're going to assign two properties. So it's like it's like saying here type is equals to x dot type here. So that's basically what that means. And we're going to create the lambda here, and use it as a select. Alright, so okay, so let's do again. Okay, so let's try again. So we should have a name and a type here as a result, and it didn't have any. Okay, so what happened? What happened? Oh, we had a bottom here. Select. Okay, so because we don't have that type defined here in our dog view, that's the reason why. So let's do this again. So if you can see, it didn't emit any error, and we still have to investigate on that. And yep, I think that's the only thing missing, and this should be working now. We have a name and we should have a type as a result, and boom, yep, we have a type here, and the type doesn't have a value. Why? Because this is set as name here, which is supposed to be a type. And sorry guys, let's do this again, and the type should have a value now, and boom, yep. So that's it. Expression trees. So what is where can we use this one? We can compose our own like a language of our own, then just convert everything into expression trees. So honestly, I'm not really sure for now. I haven't created my own expression language, so that would be another goal for us, is we can create our own language, and then that language will be converted into expression tree, and then we can use that to against our link, or against entity framework. So here we're just using it as a select, but we can also do it as a where expression tree. And yeah, expression tree is very cool, and the use case is not that popular, but yeah, I'm looking forward on creating my own like for example query. I want to query something, then from the UI will have my own query language, and it will be passed here, and my expression tree parser is going to translate that query, and then use that against the entity framework. Okay, that's it for now. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, tell your friends and family to subscribe, please. Alright, bye.